And my friend said, now you love her, but it's over me. It doesn't matter, put the phone away.
We only need 4 chords for this song: E minor, C, G, and D. If you're not comfortable with these chords, start with my beginner course and then come back to this video afterwards. Otherwise, let's get into it. The strumming pattern we're going to use for the verses is super simple. All we're doing is playing single strums before switching chords. Then we go from E minor to C to G to D. Let's try it out all together because it's really easy.
I look up from the ground to see your sad and teary eyes. You look away from me. I see there's something you're trying to hide. And I reach for your hand, but it's cold. You pull away again, and I wonder what's on your mind.
Then we're going to switch up the chords and the strumming, moving into the pre-chorus. Starting on a C chord, this is the strumming pattern we're going to play. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Once you've got that, our chords are going to be C to E minor, then to D twice. So all together, that sounds like this.
And then you say to me, made a dumb mistake. You start to tremble and your voice begins to break. You say cigarettes on the counter, bunch of friends, they were my mates. And I feel the color drain from my face.
And as you probably noticed, at the end of the pre-chorus, you hold that final D chord as we move into the chorus. Then moving into the chorus, we're going to use the strumming pattern from the pre-chorus and the chords of the verse. So this strumming pattern, on E minor to C to G to D. Let's try that out.
Now you love her, but it's over me. It doesn't matter, put the phone away. It's never easy to walk away. It'll be alright.
Then the final section you want to know to play this entire song is the bridge. And the bridge is kind of in 2 parts, but we've already been over both of the parts. For the first half of the bridge, you're going to play the exact same thing we played in the verse. And then for the second half of the bridge, you're going to play the exact same thing we played in the pre-chorus. And if you can play those parts, you can play the entire song. This one's actually great for beginners because there's only 4 chords and some easy strumming. I hadn't even heard of this song until today, and I actually really like it. If I were a betting man, I'd say that I think this one's going to take off.